You're welcome.
You get the points if you pay with your card.
See, and that's what I do. I use my points card. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Well, I'm making money as a buyer, so.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Good morning. How are you?
Good, thank you.
State's going to make an offer on your ticket, and I don't know if this is a ticket we can take care of on Zoom, but let's discuss this with the state.
So this is do you have a CDL? Let me start with, firstly, do you drive commercially for a living?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so what I could do is, because you have a CDL, I can amend this to a loud muffler, but it's going to be a high fine of $730.
And it won't appear on my record?
It's just going to appear in your record as an equipment violation, so it's not going to affect your CDL.
Yes, I do agree with that.
When can you pay the $730?
Today?
Under my picture, scrolling is where you can pay your fine, okay?
Uh-huh.
So utilize that website at some point today, this afternoon, to pay the $730, okay?
Yes, sir.
Have a great day, sir.
Do you need a citation number, Your Honor?
I'm going to give it to you real quick. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
The state is going to make you an offer on your violation, okay? Go right ahead.
What's his name?
This is last name Jackson.
All right. State's offer is $402 and supervision.
Yeah.
All right, when can you pay the 402, sir?
I can probably do some this week and some next week. Get my checks every week.
How about this? How about you pay everything by January 1st? Give you some time to pay that, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
All right, sir. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
State's going to make you an offer on your ticket, sir. Go right ahead.
State's offer is $280 in court supervision.
Is that acceptable to you?
Yes, sir.
When can you pay the 280?
Could next week work?
Sure. Why don't you pay that by November 1st, okay? Or you want December 1st, just to be sure?
December 1st would work great.
All right, sounds great. So December 1st, under my picture, scrolling is paytrafficfine.org. Utilize that website so you don't have to come into the building, okay?
Yes, sir.
Have a great day, sir.
Thank you. You too.
Hi, sorry, I'm trying to get my my camera to work. It says quit and reopen.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Why don't we see? The state's going to make you an offer, and let's see if that is acceptable to you. Go right ahead.
Okay.
State's offer is $730 in court supervision.
This is a very expensive ticket due to many factors. A, construction zone, and then B, allegedly there were workers present within that construction zone, and our legislature has created this, pretty high fine for this offense. Is that something agreeable to you? If not, we're not going to be able to dispose of this today. You will have to come to court to discuss other options.
On the ticket, it says that the ticket is only $164.
Incorrect ticket price. So, I mean,
How is that
that's
incorrect?
statutorily set at $730.
The allegations involve speeding within a construction zone, and those tickets that are printed, sometimes they contain the incorrect price amount. So the 164 is a conviction on some of these standard speeding and other petty offenses, but this is a serious offense. That's why it carries $730 fine.
Okay, I'm sorry, my mom is on the phone with me. Yeah, that's 700 something. Yep. It says on the ticket that it's $164, but they're telling me that it's a 700 something. And also, on the ticket, it says workers were present. There were no workers present.
And see, in Ms. Quill, that's why I'm saying this to you. If you want to contest this, I mean, well within your rights to do so and plead not guilty, but that carries with that decision another step that we can't do today. So you're going to have to come to court in person, okay? And
Which would be when? Because I'm in college in Missouri.
Okay, so let's see this. When are you on break?
What?
What is the fine here for $700?
Wait, can you repeat what the fine is for $700? I'm sorry, my mom wants to hear it.
It's $730. And what is her specific question about the fine?
I thought this was just a speeding ticket.
It's a speeding ticket within a construction zone with workers present allegedly, and our General Assembly has ratcheted this ticket up because of all the emergency scenarios that could take place in the construction zone with workers present. I mean, that's the reason why it's so high.
I understand that, but there was no workers present. It was a Sunday.
Well, again, I don't want to keep repeating myself, but I will do so politely, that your daughter has the opportunity to contest this ticket, plead not guilty, come to the courthouse on a day. I'm trying to accommodate her when she's off from college on break, and then you guys can have an in-person discussion with the state's attorney's office, okay?
And then what happens then?
Then your daughter will have the opportunity to confront the trooper from Illinois State Police, hear his or her version of the allegations, and then your daughter will have the opportunity to make her statement, and then the judge will make a finding of guilty or not guilty.
So he could can he raise the price of the ticket or lower the price of this ticket?
If she is found guilty in a bench trial, if that's what she chooses to do, then the fine is going to be $730. That's the ceiling, okay?
Okay.
Is that something you want to do, Megan? When are you on break?
I'm on break Thanksgiving, which would be
Where would this take place?
in Sangamon County in
Springfield, yeah.
So I'd have to do it on my drive home because I don't live in Springfield. I live in Chicago. Okay, I will be driving home the 19th of November.
Counsel for the state, can we accommodate November 19th at 1:30?
It's a Friday. We can do a special setting. That's
Please.
All right. I don't have anything in afternoons. We can do November 19th. I'll subpoena the officer. We'll have him there ready to go. Honestly, if you're contesting the ticket and we're going to do a special setting, I would just say we just set it for bench trial.
Yeah, I mean, that would be the bench trial.
Yeah.
All right, Megan, let's do this. Hate to do that to somebody's calendar on the 19th. Megan, I'm going to put you back into the holding room, and I'll be
Okay.
right back with you. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay.
Thank you. Let's get these other ones out of here, and then let's look at calendars, okay? All right. Let's do the attorney real quick. Hi, good morning, folks. Good morning, can you hear me?
Yes, Judge, I can hear you.
Counsel, what is your client's name?
My client, Your Honor, is Alan Tekoff.
All right, the state's going to make an offer this morning. Go right ahead.
Your Honor, actually, I was going to say I'm not in a position to make an offer at this time. He has a charge I've never seen before, possession under influence of dangerous substance. It's potentially a DUI. I need to talk with the officer, and this may be a dismissal, depending on what the ticket. So I need to inquire to see if this is a dismissal based on incorrect charging document. I've never seen this before.
Counsel, based on your conversations with your client, was he arrested for a DUI?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. He was stopped and arrested for a log violation, and they found, I believe they found cannabis inside the cab, Your Honor. That's what the charge is.
Okay, and
Okay.
you are in Buffalo Grove?
No, sir, I'm in Lake County.
You're in Lake County.
Yes, sir.
So how about we do this? I'm going to give these tickets back to counsel. I'm not going to give you another court date, but can you spell your first and last name and then give counsel your direct telephone number, please?
Yes, sir. My last name spelling is Ritacca.
And what's your first name?
Robert, Robert.
And counsel, what is your telephone number?
847-244-2700.
Counsel from the state will get in contact with you after he is in contact with the officer, and hopefully you guys can get some clarification on this, okay?
And Your Honor, then I come back on the Zoom platform?
No, if you strike a deal with counsel, I'll just sign off on it. You won't have to do anything else.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're very welcome.
How's the weather down there, Your Honor?
Not as cold as it is where you guys are, right?
That's correct. That's correct, Your Honor.
Counsel, have a great day, sir.
Thank you. I went to school in Champaign, Judge. We're a little far from Sangamon County at this time. Thank
Did you go
Judge.
to U of I?
Yes, sir.
Great school, right?
Well before your time, I think.
Well, sir, I appreciate you and your effort. Have a great day.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes,
Have a
sir.
good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. Is that okay?
Yeah, I think that's a great idea. I'm just not comfortable making an offer.
I don't blame you. You don't know what that involved, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they wrote all these folks up on this one. That looks like a college dorm room.
Sure does.
It does. What school?
McKendree University.
Very good school, by the way. Let me ask you this, Ms. Rivera, this is a very expensive ticket. And the allegations, workers were present in the construction zone. That's a $730 fine. What do you want to do about that? Is that okay with you?
No.
Okay, you can have the same conversation I had with someone earlier. If you disagree with the ticket, you're going to have to come to Springfield to contest that ticket, okay? Do you live in Springfield?
No.
Where do you live?
Lebanon, Illinois.
Okay. That's far.
Yeah.
Those are the only options. Counsel, you have a copy of the citation. Does it show workers present?
I just have my yellow file, Your Honor, and under the citation, it's workers present. That would be 625 5/11-605 A.
Ms. Rivera, what would you like to do today?
I'll plead guilty.
You sure?
Yeah, because I can't make the trip up as often. I have a very tight schedule.
$730. You want to pay that by, I'll give you a long time. You want to pay that by June 1st of next year? Give you a long time to save up for that?
Yeah.
All right, pay that by June 1st of next year, and good luck in school. What are you studying?
Accounting and finance.
Well, good luck to you. What year are you?
First year.
First year.
Hmm.
Yeah, so this $730 doesn't help you out in any way, does it?
No.
She knows that, Judge. She's an accounting and finance major.
Miss Rivera, have a great holiday.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
You too.
Good luck in school. Bye.
Bye-bye.
God, that's an expensive ticket, man.
It really is.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm good. How are you doing?
Great. This ticket is super expensive. I just want to start off with there. It's a construction zone. Allegations are that workers are present. And state, what's your offer on this?
State's offer is $730 in court supervision.
Is that something you're okay with?
I'm okay with the court supervision, but if possible, I'd like the cost to be less.
The problem with the cost being less, it is designed by statute that's the floor, 730. I can't go any lower than that. And if you disagree with the ticket, you would have to come to Springfield to have a trial in some fashion, okay? Where do you live?
I live in Wheaton,
Okay?
Wheaton, Illinois. I was on my way home.
From Oklahoma, right?
Yes, my home is Oklahoma, but I was driving from Wheaton.
So let me ask you this. I know that it is an egregious amount of money. I certainly understand that, especially someone your age. I can give you, are agreeable with that, I can give you to June of next year to pay it. A long time. You won't have to come up with that money today or this year.
That would be extremely helpful. Thank you.
You're very welcome. So under my picture, there is a paytrafficfine.org,
Okay.
and I believe there's a mechanism where you can pay a little bit at a time. So you can pay a little bit at a time, okay?
Okay.
Sorry that that fine is so expensive. There's nothing I can do about that one, okay?
Well, I'm sorry for my behavior.
Well, hey, have a great day. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.
Bye.
Megan Quill.
So do you think we have a discussion with her about Christmas break,
Good, yeah.
which is different, better than a Friday in
Yeah.
November?
Yeah, definitely. I think that we can do Christmas break, whatever.
Let's see how she wants to respond to that.
Fortunately, I left my sheet with all the dates on.
Megan,
Yes.
let's do this. How about Christmas break when you're driving back home? Do you know that schedule yet?
Surgery.
I don't, but I'm getting my tonsils removed over that break. So I
Oh,
don't.
we do that surgery in the courthouse, so you can do them both at the same time.
My life is rough right now.
That's, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if I just didn't know it was a construction zone, and I'm a college kid, and I didn't know that I was in the wrong. And is there a way that I could do like a payment plan?
I can do this, and this is not bending the rules at all. Megan, I can give you until June of next year to pay the fine, and then when you're at home, if you have a couple bucks here and there, once a month or something like that, you can chip away at it with a credit or debit card.
Okay, that sounds good to me. Thank you.
Is your mother okay with that since she's on the line?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because we just can't afford that right now.
All right, so I will give you until June 1st of next year to pay this, chip away with, as you can. And again, I apologize that it's so high, but there's nothing I can do about that. Have a great day. Good luck in school, okay, Megan?
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Bye-bye.
How do we get the information?
How do I get the information about paying it, by the way?
So I don't know if you have video right now, but here's the website, paytrafficfine.org.
Okay, yeah, I do see that.
All right, and that's how you go onto the system, and you can just chip away at it over the next months until June 1st of next year, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Have a good day. Bye.
You too.